Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and safety. Soft brush, 70% isopropyl wipe, toothpick, and good light. First, unpair and power down the AirPods so you won't trigger noise or connectivity changes while cleaning. Remove the silicone tips and look closely at the mic ports and mesh. This is often the culprit. Use the brush to dislodge loose debris, then a toothpick to gently lift trapped wax. Once done, wipe surfaces with a barely dampened isopropyl cloth. Let dry fully before next steps. Once the hardware is clean and dry, focus on firmware and settings because software often controls mic routing. Make sure your phone is updated. Keep the AirPods in the charging case near the phone to receive firmware updates. Then reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair to your device and set microphone to automatic in Bluetooth settings so the system chooses the best mic. Finally, record a voice memo and speak into each bud to confirm. Finish by isolating remaining failures. Swap silicone tips and retest because poor fit can muffle the mic. If the voice still sounds weak or distorted after cleaning, resetting, and testing on another phone, the mic capsule or mesh may be physically damaged. In that case, schedule a repair or replacement through Apple or an authorized service. Don't attempt deep internal repairs yourself. If things go wrong, try the simple troubleshooting tip. Always test the AirPods on a second device to confirm whether the issue is the AirPods or the original phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.